In this media, you will learn about the techniques of time management. The main techniques of time management are discussed below. The first technique is Pareto analysis. In this method of time management, the analysis is purely based on the Pareto principles. This principle gives an idea that 80% of tasks can be done in 20% of the time, and the remaining 20% of tasks will take up 80% of the time. In other words, 80% of the value comes from 20% of the items. So this analysis is also called 80 by 20 rule. Applying Pareto principles in time management helps to increase the productivity. Let us see some examples of Pareto principle at work. First, 20% of the mail received yields 80% of the value obtained. The other 80% of the mail is virtually worthless. Second, 80% of a company's sales comes from 20% of its clients. Third, 80% of your time on the phone is spent with only 20% of the people. Fourth, 20% of a company's employees take 80% of their sick leave. The second technique is ABC analysis. In this method, all the activities in an organization are classified into groups, and these activities are arranged according to the importance. These groups are marked by the name A, B, and C respectively, based upon certain criteria. A group. It contains a task that is urgent and important. B group. It contains the tasks that are important but not urgent. C group. In this category, neither urgent nor important tasks are arranged. The third technique is POSIX method. POSIX is one of the popular methods of time management. POSIX is the abbreviation of prioritize by organizing, streamlining, economizing, and contributing. Prioritize. This stage gives more priority to set goals and allots time for achieving the proposed goal. Organizing. Organizing helps to arrange the goals one has to achieve in an order. Streamlining. This is used to manage the daily tasks that one does not like to do. Streamlining helps to do the jobs very easily, and also helps to improve the quality of work. Economizing. This stage gives less priority to the task that is not urgent to complete. Contributing. This involves some social obligations or contributions. Contribution can make an attention to complete the task. The fourth method is PDCA analysis. PDCA stands for Plan, Do, Check, and Act. Plan. In this stage, you have to establish the objectives or targets and plan the ways to achieve it in a very short period of time. Do. This stage deals with implementation of the proposed plan and evaluates whether the plan can attain the target or not. Check. It compares the actual results with expected results to find out the deviations in the proposed plan. Act. If there is any differences in the result, then find out the exact reasons for the same. Once the reason is found, then corrective actions can be taken to solve the problem. Thus, you have learnt about the techniques of time management.